I'm running this WEMOS D1 Mini right now with play effects using the WLED system. I'm clicking on different colors and I am not connected to the internet. Therefore, my previous videos were wrong. I was saying I had to be connected to the internet to make this environment work. That's wrong. It's working right now offline. It's working with this Mini as a sort of a hotspot. It shows up right there. That's it. There's a different install system, slightly getting the firmware in this esp8266 slightly different than the larger boards that I was using, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Right here is the install system where I dragged this WLED bin file into this file folder, and then when I clicked on flash to the Mini when it was plugged in by USB to the computer, it automatically chooses the wrong upload speed. This is the right upload speed for this board, bigger board, but it's the wrong upload speed for this board. The upload speed is supposed to be, I believe, 38,400. That's what I used. I tried starting from here down, and I finally found this one works. Now, once that's done, it seems like, if I recall, there's something else that's slightly different, but I think you should be able to figure it out. You'll see that we've got different effects here. I can choose like the Aurora effect, and it changes. These different effects. And we can choose different colors for the different, and there's a lot more to learn about this. The kids are going to love it. They're going to find out how their smart home will work, because we are having to make choices such as using an IP scanner. This is just one that scans the devices nearby and identifies which of them are here. Here's different devices that are showing up. This is one that we would use. It identifies the address of the device. This is how we're going to be working in our smart home and our smart workplace. More on this later.